Hello, everybody. My name is Cameron Fitch, and this is my community resource project. For my community resource project, I chose to focus on the Castroville Community Library. It's a resource that has been used by students both past and present of mine, and I think it's a tremendous resource, not only for students, but anyone involved in the community. So a little bit about the Castroville Community Library and where it stems from is a bigger organization called the Foundation for Monterey County Free Libraries, an independent organization formed to help the programs of the 17 Monterey County free libraries, included those located in the most rural sections of our county. Funding for the Foundation for Monterey County Free Libraries helps make the library programs possible. They offer services like childhood literacy support. There's homework centers, as well as adult reading, book drives, online tutoring, and technology centers. The foundation has contributed over $3 million to literacy programs since 1990, which helps make these services free and affordable to everyone in the community. The Monterey County Free Libraries serve 3,000 square miles in Monterey County, California. The total population that they serve is over 400,000, including more than 100,000 children under the age of 18. More than 39% of the students in the local public schools are English language learners. The Castroville County branch is the one that I like to focus on. They just had their centennial in 2014. They've gone through their ups and downs throughout history. If you know anything about Castroville, you know that it's centered in the middle of some artichoke fields. And recently the library has survived and flourished, and they are now sporting a state-of-the-art library facility under the care of numerous dedicated people. And I included a little quote of my own in here about the Castroville Community Library has been a tremendous resource for past and current students. It's a quiet place to work or study with a friendly staff that offers a variety of tutoring services as well as online courses to assist people of all ages from completing homework to graduating from high school. The Castroville Community Library branch provides a place for students as well as adults to access books, tutoring services, internet, and so much more. Also, I'm not sure if you've ever noticed these little branchlets, and they're sort of like community libraries of their own, where in your neighborhood, it's sort of like a lend one, take one. So if you have any old books in your home that are just kind of taking up space on the shelf that you think that others might like to read, you can always distribute them in one of these boxes that are managed by the Foundation for Free County Libraries in Monterey. And these little branchlets are everywhere. I've seen them around, and they are a great way just to get some knowledge out there. But enough hearing about me. Here's some quotes that came directly from students who I've asked about their experiences with going to the county library. Angelique says they were able to help me with my math homework, which was awesome. Kevin says, I love going there for a quiet place to study and read since my house is really loud, can be really loud, right? And Jesus, of course, said that the Castroville Library is lit. I believe that's kids speak for, they think it's pretty cool. And I think it's pretty cool too. Well, that's my project. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.